Hi guys, this is Tony. Talking to you about a roll in there and know some stuff is around. So we're gonna have to go on this, but I'll make sure I get somebody on the highway then. But if all possible, but know some stuff on the highway if all possible. But as of right now, I heard that 61 is leading today's Texas Eagle 21, and then we'll be back the next morning's 22. I do apologize that I'm going to have to miss it because I'm going to be in Brownsville. But 61 is my favorite locomotive. Ratatouille is right about that, because it sucks. Well, as of right now, I haven't heard anything about 7013 yet. So that means, since I haven't heard anything about 7013, that means we're gonna be lucky that we're not going to. That means I'm not gonna miss it while I'm in Brownsville. So that's probably good news for right now. So there's a chance I might see it. Along the way back tomorrow and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm thinking 7013 is either coming this weekend or early or maybe Monday or Tuesday. We'll see. Trying to better come in. Watch this. Here comes 22, you guys. You guessed it. There he is. Here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22, pulling into South Austin now. Here. That was awesome. Love that race letter, man. Missed that hybrid, dang it. That's alright. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22. Talk to you guys later.